Okay, we're going to look at a different way of setting up a portfolio, because there's no one true way of doing it. The thing that's important about your portfolio is that it's something that's viewable online to a wide variety of people, and it's something you can update. This is why the old-fashioned way of sending a CV as a PDF or a Word doc doesn't really work, because people like to keep these things on file for later on, and you want to be able to add and update and so on. And heaven forbid that you'd actually made a mistake on your portfolio. If you see it before someone reads it, you can get in and fix that as well. So it's important that it's available somewhere online or via the cloud. Now, one way we can do this is actually to create a doc in your Google Drive. So you can do this through any account. It can be the one set up through mycqulaw.net, or it can be another Google account. Although, of course, if you're sharing this with people in the outside world, it's best to have a Google account that has a very professional sounding name to it, of course. So jump into Drive Google.com and you'll see a menu here, which is set up a bit like a normal disk drive, but of course it's in the cloud. It's online. It's not dependent on someone being able to get into your computer. The first thing we might want to do is set up a folder to put all your things. So new folder, and we're going to call that one portfolio, and we're going to create that. And that creates a nice neat folder that you can save your portfolio in and any additional files you want to create as well. Now you go to new again, Google Doc, and this will create a document much the same way that you'd create a Word document. And let's not try voice activated at the moment. And you can basically go to the sample portfolio, cut and paste in all the information there and edit it as you like. Now this automatically saves online, but when you need, and this is very, very important, when you want to be able to share it with someone else, you have to click on the share button. I'll name it first. So I'm going to call it portfolio. And what you want to be able to do is you don't want other people to be able to edit, but we want other people to be able to view. So you can put in a specific person's name, and this is useful when you're working on shared projects with others and you want to be able to just share with other people. But if we go to the advanced options there, what you want to be able to do is to make the link accessible to everyone. So here it says it's private only, you can access it. We want to change that. So we want to say anyone with the link is able to view. You can change here so they can comment and they can edit. Your portfolio, you don't want that, you just want them to be able to view it. And you hit save. Alright, and up here is the rather unpleasant looking but functional link. You can copy that and you can send it to anyone, and they are able to look at the page you've created. In this case, it's going to be your portfolio. Click share again, and you can see the link at any particular time. And there's even a nice, easy copy link button. Okay, so the other thing you're going to want to be able to do with your portfolio is add things, and you can add links to things that are online, as you would normally. I think it's in the insert menu, an image, a link. It's not quite as flexible as using a website, but it'll do the job for us perfectly well. So just say we've got a certificate we want to add. So we go back to our drive. We're in our portfolio folder again. We go to new, file upload. Now, I'm going to presume I've got this wonderful certificate of achievement here. It's of course totally fictional. And it will upload down here. And we wait, and there it is. Now when you go into that scan of this fantastic certificate of achievement, again you've got sharing options. It's a little person and a plus, that means share. So you say share. Go to advanced settings again, we change it from private to, you might as well say anyone on the web, or anyone with a link will do just as well. Can view, again we don't want people to be able to edit it. And we'll copy that link, and we'll go into Google, and we'll just arbitrarily decide we're going to put it here, we put insert link. So the link we put there. The text that we want to put on the link goes above. So we say certificate of achievement. We hope we spelled achievement right. And there you go. When someone views this, they should be able to click on that link and they'll be able to see that particular document. Now we always want to test to make sure that's worked. So the easiest thing is to open up a different browser, which I've done here. We paste in our link to our portfolio there, and there you go. That's what it looks like to someone else. And we also want to test our links. It's very important to test links. It's nothing more embarrassing than sending someone a page full of dead links or something that says you don't have permission to view this. So we click on that, and there we go. That has opened up the image for anyone to view. Okay, so that's it in a nutshell. You can do the same thing with videos. You can, of course, upload your videos into a Drive folder, but I'd recommend uploading them to YouTube. I think YouTube is a much better service to use for that. But that's another way of doing it. So don't think there's only one way to do a portfolio. Don't get frustrated. There's lots of options that are available to you.